Let me ask you something. How many times have you scrolled through your phone late at night, wishing you had an extra stream of income? Maybe you're a student, or stuck in a 9 to 5, or just tired of watching opportunities pass by. The truth is, 2025 is the best time to build online income with side hustles that don't need a big investment or years of training. And today, I'll show you 5 powerful hustles, from selling stock photos to writing resumes, that you can start today with just your laptop, your skills, and a little consistency. Stick with me till the end, because hustle number 5 might just surprise you. Hustle number 1. Sell stock photos. Let's start with one of the simplest side hustles, selling stock photos. What it is, stock photography means you upload your photos to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, and Alamy, and businesses, bloggers, or marketers buy licenses to use them. Every time your photo gets downloaded, you earn money. How to learn the skill? You don't need to be a professional photographer. Start by learning the basics of composition, lighting, and editing. Free tutorials on YouTube are a great start. If you want to go deeper, check out affordable courses on Skillshare or Udemy. For editing, tools like Lightroom, Photoshop, or even free apps like Snapseed can make your photos look professional. How to start and earn. Create an account on stock websites. Upload high-quality images and tag them with the right keywords. Things people are actually searching for, like remote work desk, healthy breakfast, or city skyline. The more relevant your photos, the higher the chance of sales. The best part? Once uploaded, they can generate passive income for years. So the next time you take a photo, don't just post it on Instagram. Upload it where it can actually make you money. Hustle number 2. Start a podcast. Next up, let's talk about podcasting, the side hustle where your voice becomes your income. What it is, podcasting is creating audio content, whether it's storytelling, interviews, or sharing your knowledge, published on platforms like Spotify or Apple Podcasts. And with the rising popularity of audio content, it's one of the fastest growing ways to build an audience. How to learn the skill? Learn the basics of audio recording and storytelling. Free guides on Spotify for podcasters are a goldmine. You can also explore Udemy or Coursera courses on podcasting. For editing, free software like Audacity or GarageBand, Mac, works perfectly fine. How to start and earn. You don't need a fancy studio. A budget USB mic in a quiet room will do. Record, edit, and upload episodes via Buzzsprout, Anchor, or Spotify for podcasters. Monetization can come from sponsorships, ads, or even Patreon, where loyal listeners support your work. If you've got stories, ideas, or expertise to share, podcasting is your chance to turn your voice into your brand and your income. Hustle number 3. Sell digital products. Now let's talk about a hustle I personally love: selling digital products. What it is, digital products are things like eBooks, templates, online courses, or printables. The magic here? You create it once, and it sells forever. No shipping, no packaging, just instant delivery. How to learn the skill? Start with what you already know. If you're good at design, learn Canva and PixArt. If you like writing, explore ebook publishing guides on YouTube. Platforms like Skillshare and Teachable can help you polish your skills. How to start and earn. Turn your knowledge into something people need. For example, a budgeting template, a fitness ebook, or a resume guide. Sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, or even your own Shopify store. Promote it through social media or your blog. The beauty of digital products is scalability. Whether you sell 1 copy or 1,000, your effort stays the same. Hustle number 4. Start a YouTube channel. Here's one hustle that has changed countless lives, including mine: starting a YouTube channel. What it is, YouTube is more than just videos. It's a platform to share your voice, build a brand, and create long-term income. From faceless channels to tutorials, reviews, or entertainment, the opportunities are endless. How to learn the skill? You don't need Hollywood editing. Tools like CapCut, Filmora, or DaVinci Resolve are beginner-friendly. YouTube Creator Academy is free and teaches everything from SEO to monetization. Watch and model successful creators in your niche. How to start and earn. Pick a niche: finance, tech reviews, gaming, or faceless motivational videos. Upload consistently, optimize your titles and tags for search, and stay patient. Monetization kicks in at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. The difference is they have started. Hustle number 5, resume writing, and finally, a side hustle that surprises people resume writing. What it is, millions of job seekers are struggling to land interviews because their resumes don't stand out. Resume writers step in to craft professional, tailored resumes and cover letters that get noticed. How to learn the skill? Learn through LinkedIn Learning or Coursera courses about HR, resume writing, and ATS, applicant tracking systems. Free resources on Indeed and Glassdoor also teach modern resume trends. How to start and AMP. Earn. Start by creating a few sample resumes for different industries. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Sites like TopResume also let you apply as a freelance resume writer. As you build experience and reviews, you can charge higher rates. The best part? You're not just making money, you're helping people land life-changing jobs. Call to action, so there you have it, 5 powerful side hustles for 2025, selling stock photos, podcasting, digital products, YouTube, and resume writing. Each one is beginner-friendly, scalable, and realistic to start today. But remember, opportunity doesn't pay unless you act on it. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one hustle, commit for 30 days, and see where it takes you. If you found this video valuable, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to it Cypher Cash, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. And comment below, which hustle are you starting first? Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today.